Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1961 Chevrolet bubble top Impala. Killer car, guys. Love this car. Car's out of Kentucky. It is a complete body up restoration, as clean as you will find underneath. This thing is solid on the underside. 61,000 original miles, and we have the copy of that on the original, Kentucky title. Factory color combination. Matter of fact, I think most of this interior is actually original. Factory Tuxedo black car with the red and ivory interior. I would say somebody started with just a sweetheart of a bubble top, and then it's got four-wheel disc brakes, it's got an aluminum headed GM crate engine, it's got vintage air, Billet Specialty wheels. I mean, just a killer car, man. Fun to drive, just slick. This is a great body style. People just go crazy when you pull up with this stuff. Again, I'm a big air ride guy. I love pulling up at a car show and then lowering the car down. Gorgeous paint. I've seen a couple of little touch-ups, but man, just as straight and as slick as can be. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. Killer car. Love that interior color combination. I put some miles on this car too. I probably put 15-20 miles on it. The car drives out great. Love those tail lights. And look how flat that car is. Of course, we've got the air ride all the way down. New rear bumper. Killer car. And like I say, the underside of this car, when you see the pictures, just clean as can be. Gorgeous 61 right there. It's got CPP four-wheel disc brakes. Those are radial reline tires. It's a bigger brake kit too, with the slotted drilled rotors. It's all CPP stuff. Look how straight that thing is. Again, ZZ3 aluminum headed crate engine. It's got I can't remember, the Holley 4-barrel, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, vintage AC, aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got 700R, 4 automatic overdrive transmission. The X-frame on this thing is just clean as can be too. Brand new Hedman ceramic headers. Killer car. There's a little stone back there in the windshield. What a car, man. Look how nice this 8-pillar chrome is. All this stainless is nice. Power windows. It does have new carpet, but I think those seats are original. They've added the seat belts. Power. Bench seat, it works. Factory dash. The original AM radio does work as well. You got to turn it on and wait a minute, but it comes on. bed liner looks great. Love that steering wheel. I'm sorry, 63,229. That's the original mileage on that car. There's your air ride controls. There's a little button underneath the dashes to lock up your converter. Look how nice that dash is painted. Just gorgeous, gorgeous car. All brand new custom dual exhaust, stock rear axle. Just as clean as can be here in the trunk. There's all your air ride system. You can see all your little cracks and crevices are clean. Mark on the paint. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, we got this thing so low. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to give you a good shot of the rear. But I got good pictures of it underneath, and yeah, let's get the fuel tank down real low. We'll raise it up when Nathan fires it up. Killer, killer car. I just don't get these, man. This stuff is hard to find. How nice those seats are. I think these are original. I don't think they've ever been messed with. Dash is nice. Killer, killer car, man. Look how nice that is. Runs out just as sweet as can be. Nathan just kicked your air on. It runs out great. Again, air blows cold. Go ahead and raise it up, Nathan. The air ride works quickly too. It's not slow. You know what I mean? So these things will take forever. I think it was around 100 on the fuel gauge works, temp gauge works. That's all that's really in there. I think it was close to 100 on the front, and there were like 80s in the rear. It opens and closes nice. Good sounding dual exhaust. Lights work. Radiator, when it comes on, it's going to be loud. It's just, you got to wait. It's the old original style. It'll just kick on. Again, that blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. We got to check on the wipers. The wipers did not come on, so we'll have to check on them. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Look at that killer car. Look how flat it is. Killer sound. What a car. Love the big radial red lines on it. Those are super cool. Those were not cheap. guys.